In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review your chess.com puzzle stats and history. If you've been training with puzzles and want a clear picture of your progress, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find your stats, how to view your puzzle history, and how to open individual puzzles for a quick, effective review. We'll keep it simple and stick to the essentials so you can build a consistent habit around it. Start on the chess.com homepage. From there, look for the puzzles section. On a computer, you'll usually find puzzles in the top navigation bar. On mobile or a smaller screen, you may need to open the main menu to see it. Click on Puzzles and then select Full Stats. This opens a dedicated page that summarizes your training performance, including ratings, accuracy trends, and other useful breakdowns. Think of this page as your training dashboard. It's where you can quickly spot improvements in areas that need extra attention. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page to find your recent activity. Here you'll see three key categories: rated puzzles, learning puzzles, and puzzle rushes. Rated puzzles reflect your current tactical strength and will influence your puzzle rating. Learning puzzles are curated and often theme-based, which makes them great for focused study on motifs like pins, forks, or checkmates. Puzzle rushes capture your timed runs, which are perfect for sharpening recognition and speed under pressure. If you're comparing sessions, glance at timestamps and results here to get a sense of how your practice has been trending day to day. When you're ready to dive deeper, click on a specific puzzle entry to open and analyze it. This takes you back to the original position so you can replay the line and examine what mattered most. As you review, pay attention to the puzzle's rating and theme to understand the difficulty and the tactical idea being tested. Before you reveal the solution, pause and try to recall your thought process. Why did your move seem best at the time, and what did you miss? Then step through the solution slowly. Compare your candidate moves to the correct line and look for the key turning point. Was it a hanging piece, a mate threat, or a tactical resource like a Zwischenzug? Use this quick review to extract one takeaway from each puzzle, perhaps a pattern to watch for or a calculation habit to reinforce. A few focused minutes per session can compound into measurable gains. That's all there is to it. Open full stats, scroll to your history, and review any puzzle you want to learn from.